Good day everyone, especially to our beloved and handsome instructor, Dr. Paulino Tagailo. And first of all, I am Elvin Jade Simbaon from BS Criminology 3 Bravo in School of Domingo GHC Campus. And today I am discussing about different parts of manual four-wheel vehicle, and let's go. I am discussing in the part inside the four-wheel vehicle. Let's go. Side mirror control switch is designed to assist you in controlling your car's mirrors, providing you with a more extended and detailed view of your surroundings. Clutch connects and disconnects the engine's power from transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly. Brake pedal applies the brakes, causing the vehicle to slow down and or stop. Accelerator controls the amount of gas being fed into the engine and thereby controls the speed of the vehicle. Driver's seat, not only to provide a seating space to driver but also support, protect, and to provide comfortable seating postures to the occupants. Steering wheel, control the direction of the vehicle. Control for signal lights and headlights. Switch for turning on or off the signal lights and headlights. Gauges. Speedometer displays wheel speed. Fuel gauge displays the level of fuel in the tank. Temperature gauge displays the temperature of engine coolant. Rear view mirror to monitor the surrounding area inside the car. Transmission or gearbox helps to transfer power from the engine to the wheels by using different gear ratios. Radio provide in-car entertainment and information for the occupants. Ventilation controls the cabin temperature. Emergency flasher warn other drivers on an emergency situation you may be in or that your car is parked on the side of the road. Wiper control switch, controlling the wiper to turn off or on. To start and stop the engine, to lock and unlock all the doors and tailgate. Handbrake, to ensure the vehicle does not roll away when parked, and backup brake to ensure to stop. Storage compartment stores small items required by the driver or passengers. Airbag reduce the chance that head will strike the vehicle's interior during a crash. Air conditioning to cool the passenger compartment and draw moisture out of the fresh air supply. seatbelt to protect passengers and driver from injuries in the case of an accident. Power window switches allow a vehicle's passenger to open or close the car's window. Internal door handle used to close or open the car's door. Back seat is primarily designed for passenger comfort and safety. And that's all the parts inside the four-wheel vehicle, and let's go for the outside or external parts. Side mirror, helping the driver see areas behind and to the sides of vehicle outside the driver's blind spot. Car windows protect the driver and others in the vehicles from debris such as stones, dust, and insects. Car door handle used to close or open the door. Stepboard helps passengers easily board and leave the car. Signal lights used to warn others that you will change direction. Fuel tank door prevents dirt and other materials from entering the diesel fuel or gas tank. Tire support its weight, absorb shocks, and transmit braking forces, torque, and traction to the road surface. Car's rim supports and seals the tire to the wheel. Mudguard protects people and property from dirtiness, dampness, and damage. Car shock absorbers stop the car from bouncing. Exhaust to control noise, to direct exhaust fumes away from passengers, to improve the performance of the engine and to improve fuel consumption. Brake lights provides specific notice to the other drivers behind you when your speed is slowing down. Back signal lights used to warn others that you will turning other direction. Back step board provide an additional step that makes it easier to enter and exit the vehicle. License plate used to identify the vehicle. Tailgate opens downward and gives access to the cargo area of the vehicle. Tailgate door handle used to open and close the tailgate. This is another signal light. Headlights are used to help you see the road at night. Grille helps provide air circulation in the engine room. Bumper to absorb impact in a minor collision, ideally minimizing repair cost. This is another license plate. Wiper. Clean the windshield of the car at the front and rear. Antenna. Catch radio signals to allow you to listen to the radio while you're driving. Car roof. Protecting the vehicle occupants from sun, wind, rain, and other external elements. Windshield. Protect the driver and others in the vehicles from debris such as stones, dust, and insects. Hood button. Used to open and close the hood. Brake fluid reservoir. Stores your vehicle's brake fluid and protects it so that your hydraulic braking system can work properly. Battery. Provide an electric current to the electric-powered starting motor and other electrical parts of the car. Engine. Transform fuel into energy. Air cleaner. To ensure only clean air enters a car's engine. Horn. To warn others of the vehicle's presence or approach or to call attention to some hazard. Protects the engine and connected parts from the elements while providing easy access for repairs and maintenance. That's all the parts of manual four-wheel vehicle, and thank you for watching.